Hello guys, today I want to take you to a kibandaski, whereby, you know these things. If you've been to Kenya, if you've been to anywhere in Kenya, there is a kibandaski. So today I want to take you to a kibandaski, make you feel good, eat that food, and plus I'll be doing so one, two, three things. Specifically, I'm going to undisclosed area whereby you'll all see. So I'm taking you along with me, and I'm taking you to a very famous kibandaski hotel whereby even big artists like Bahati, Will Paul, Kodida, Diana Marwa have been in that place. So it is a familiar place whereby you know this place. So let's go along. First and foremost, I grabbed a snack because I had not. How many of you know about the drive-in cinema? I believe you can see something there, that that white thing. So many years ago, over a decade ago, a decade is a yeah, over a decade ago, this area was a cinema whereby people could come in the evening and just enjoy themselves watching movies. Yeah, but all that disappeared. I don't know why. I don't know the reason. But again, when I was a kid, by that time I was a kid, I used to enjoy just standing by, because when you could stand from a far building, you could either watch the movies. Those were the time where Indian movies were being introduced in Kenya. At least this is the first place I ever watched. I ever watched the Indian movies. If you know what I'm talking about. So this is the situation right now, whereby there is nothing, only the billboard that used to act like people used to watch the movie from. So this is it. If you remember, or if you can relate this driving cinema area, then you are good to go. Then the opposite, we have a drive-through, whereby you have Naivas, you have KFC. And here we are, the famous kibandaski in Mathare, Rido. Yes, so I got in. Yeah, this is me paving my way inside, looking for where to sit. Then I found the chill spot, my corner. Yes, here I am, sat down. Yeah, this is food I was brought, and I was hungry. I was hungry. So this is a mixture of beans, peas, cabbage. So this is me again with two chapati. You can see how I'm taking that bite. Yeah, so man, this food, I had missed this food. I really had missed this food almost for two years. Almost for 2 years. Then I was just passing. I always pass this place, but wow, this specifically day, I came for this specifically food. So enjoy with me and make sure you visit this place. If you are around Mathare, even if you are a visitor coming to Kenya, make sure you visit this place. So this is me crushing this food. I am done and I am full. That hotel cannot disappoint you. Oh, this is the area 4. This area is the area 4 we are talking about, where you can find Mr. Rido. If you mention the word Rido to anyone that lives in Nairobi or that lives around Mathare, uh, almost everyone knows that place. And it's a place that offers a very, very good and quality services, food-wise. Yeah. So I came to Mathare specifically for that. But then again, I can't go at home right now because I'm meeting some friends. I'm doing 1, 2, 3. Here's some clothes, some towels that if you want to buy at a cheap price, at the same time they are expensive. So do not just underestimate them because they are from Mathare or they are being sold in Mathare. Yeah, there is a new building or a new something that has been erected here. While passing, I saw these young people playing football, something that keeps them busy while they are still out of school. And yes, so when I arrived, oh, the game was just ending. So this is another famous place in Mathare where we call it Mathare Foi. And this is me again maneuvering in the streets of Mathare inside those machuom. So this place, when you stand at this point, you can see almost the whole of Mathare. You can see where Area 4, you can see Huruma and beyond. Just appreciate this valley, man. This is the home of billionaires, home of great talents, people like Kodida, Willie Paul, Mr. Sid, Bahati, and this is a home of many, even in the football field, many people came from this place. So I appreciate, and I myself have been here for the longest time, and I will never shy away from saying or preaching this gospel that I was raised here. My life, almost all of my life, have been raised here. Sunset, sunset, sunset. Looks good, right? These are KCA students heading at home. And this place is the opposite driving cinema, where I had showed you earlier, where you have Naivas and KFC. Yes, it is developing very well, and this is the end.